What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO reviews, and today I'm here again to review a different ICO called Subaj Global Network. What is this ICO all about? Well, there's so much packed into this ICO, so much news about it, and I'm going to take my time one after another to let you know what Subaj is all about. But please, before I continue, anything I say in this review video is strictly my personal opinion. I'm not your financial advisor. Make your own decision. Now, having given that disclaimer, let's check down. Yeah, 14 days for the first week sales, and you can get the brochure. You can buy now, and here is the white paper, and here is the social media platforms. You can get them on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on Google Plus, on Telegram, on YouTube, and VK. VK is Russian social media. So if you are on VK, you can see them. How it works now. Subaj provides a decentralized marketplace for different types of companies, businesses, retailers, and merchants, where they all can participate for their mutual benefit. The participants can create their respective crypto tokens and offer them to the customers as loyalty rewards with the Subaj Global Network. The product can also be used by various merchants, businesses, companies, institutions, and service providers who can offer either SBJ token or their own business token as loyalty reward to their customers. People get royalty reward for different things they're able to buy. And now, different online stores who have their own token can give their customer reward through the Subaj token. Now, problems we are targeting: insignificance of the existing reward system, lack of transparency between the merchant and the customer, absence of mover strategy to attract new customer, lack of support to the merchant and constant competition, poor mode of communication between the merchant and customer. And all these, they plan to offer a solution to it. Instant access to different types of offers, discount and loyalty program, a transparent system where both merchants and customers can interact and communicate, and all other ones you can find here. And you can see the advantage. This is Subaj blockchain platform. I left their websites put together, and here is something new again you need to know about. SBJ exchange platform. It says the Subaj exchange platform provides a crypto exchange facility to the customers where they can exchange various cryptocurrencies with the Subaj blockchain platform or trade them for SBJ token. So you can see now that they plan to open an exchange for different cryptocurrencies. And you can see the mobile apps as it's going to be. It's coming soon and it's going to be beautiful. This is the roadmap. Some 2010 they started, and you can see how they plan to make everything work. By November of this year, it says Subaj content development and listing, exchange and wallet application, token sales June to September. This is token distribution. How they plan to distribute the token. And charity. So Subaj Charity Foundation is committed towards the greater goal of serving the deprived and underprivileged children of the society. I like the fact that they have a program for charity. Part of what they are going to get goes back to the people. And Adebayo Surakatu is the founder and CEO. You can check him in LinkedIn. You can check him on LinkedIn. Knut Jacobi is the vice president. John Lumbela and Igor Pobirako and all the rest. You can find them here. You can find them here. These are the advisors on the team, the partners. their partners and different events they were involved with and award they've received and different news about it. So just click on it and you'll see many news. And here, Yahoo Finance, Daily Herald, Nasdaq, CCN, CoinCodex, Wall Street Select, or Dizzy, these news platforms are saying a lot about them. And these are the guy here. You can see different pictures. I mean, this shows that these guys are not scammers. This is real. You can see different photos they showed here. This is the guy. See them. So you can color them here. And they are based in Germany. This is the white paper. They'll put together 41-page white paper. And let me show you distribution here. Let me show you this distribution. Okay. Token sale and distribution has planned a free supply of 5 billion SBJ will be created for successful running operations with the Subaj Global Network. Out of total supply, token allocation will perform in the following manner. And you can see how they plan to distribute it. Each itself will be sold to the public. 15% of total SBJ supply will be allocated to the Subaj Foundation, which is good. 10% for advisors and partners, 13% allocation for customer and merchant and all the rest you can see. So I recommend you go through the white paper and read it through yourself. Read it through. And also you can check them out on YouTube, on Telegram. Now let's check the Alexa ranking. The Alexa ranking is here. And the more visitors from India, from Russia, from Ukraine, and Bangladesh. Yeah, let's check the who is Subaj.com, and you can see 2018 April it was registered, and 2019 is going to expire. Let's check their Telegram. 99,273. This is huge. This is very, very huge. Imagine 99,000 people are involved. It shows the community of Subaj is huge. It's huge. And here on the YouTube, you can watch the video here on YouTube about them. On the Twitter, they have 18,400 followers. Wow. A lot of people are really bullish about this ICO. Now, what is my thought about this ICO? Of course, you know I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is strictly my personal opinion. But I must tell you, I'm really interested about this ICO. To me, everything is okay. I believe in the team. I believe they are real. And the fact that they are even going to have an exchange, wow, that is very interesting. I really love that. So I'm going to leave the link down below, and I encourage you, if you want to sign up for this ICO, just click on it and sign up for the ICO. This is a good project, I strongly believe. And please, before you go, please subscribe for my channel, and I'm going to bring more videos for you. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.